Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have got a beautiful 1965 Ford Custom Cab. It is a two-tone, blue and white, automatic, nice fast engine in her. The inside's got a blue interior, leather. Very nice condition there. Beautiful, beautiful truck. The truck is sprayed with a liner, keeping that all safe. Great everyday around town truck, but also could be a good work truck as well. Get around the farm or something. Go ahead and jump up here to the front seat. Take a look at the dash. Great condition there. Beautiful truck. Alright, we're going to go ahead, check under the hood, take it for a spin, and put on the hood. Alright, I'm going to take it for a quick spin down the street. Takes the bump very nicely there at the end of the driveway. Nice smooth acceleration. Very smooth ride. Steering wheel's got a little play in it. Pretty typical for these older trucks. Very nice ride. Sounds great, feels great, and it looks great. Alright, I'm going to do a quick turnaround right here. And I'm going to go throw her up on the lift. Thank you. Alright, got the truck up here on the lift. Check her out underneath. Very nice car. Well maintained, strong body. Swing around, get a lot better of lighting back here. Be able to see more. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We'd love to do a live FaceTime on it with you so you can see anything that you might have a concern about. Overall, awesome truck, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for stopping by.